Finesse Worm here, coming at you with the first commentary on my gaming channel. I have another channel. It's a fishing channel called Finesse Worm as well. You can look into it if you're into fishing. But this is going to be my gaming channel where I post games like MX Legends and Battlefield, my main two games I like to play. I'll be posting some GTA 6 when it releases. GTA 6. For now, I'm just uploading some of my fastest lap times in MX Legends. I'm just kind of going down the list. We're going to start at the top of nationals and just work our way down and try to beat every single record that I've previously set. I've been racing a lot of Supercross. I've gotten really good at Supercross. I've improved a lot. It's been a while since I've actually raced some national races. So let's go back, beat some of those records, and post it for the YouTube fam. I got 1 subscriber right now, literally 1 subscriber. It's my friend Ivan. Shout out Ivan. Hopefully he likes this, and maybe I can get some other people to tune in, maybe subscribe if you like it. So here we are at the start of the first lap. Well, not the first lap. It's actually the final lap that I'm taking here out of 5. But this is the first lap that I am showing to you guys. That is my fastest lap. Getting into 4th gear is really important on national tracks. If you find yourself just stuck in 3rd gear a lot of the time, shift up. So I did miss the jump up there at the top of the hill. And that was not the smoothest corner I've ever taken either. Nice whip. Or scrub, I don't even know what you call it. I don't actually race dirt bikes. I'm not very racist in that way. But I do like playing this game. So you'll have to forgive me if I get the wrong terms. Like, what's even the difference between a scrub and a whip? I mean, a scrub's just like a small whip, right? In a sense. Somebody's gonna say no, it's not a small whip. It's something entirely different. Okay, whatever. You're fine. You're right. All right. So what do we get there? A 130.18. That puts us in the number 3 spot on Steam. Well, we can take that. We'll take a number 3 spot. And here's the start of my second lap. Well, it's the second track. It's the second lap that you guys are seeing. Good Lord. And as you can see, I'm starting off really rough. Not how you want to start out. The great part about seeing me mess up, though, is that I know that I can gain more time. Or I can lose some time. I can shave some time off and get faster. And that's important. So that's what it's all about. Now this part right here is probably my favorite part of the track. It's so satisfying if you hit it right. Just stay pinned in 3rd gear all the way up that hill. That was way better than the first lap that you guys seen. Keep it in 4th, put it in 3rd. And that's going to be your fastest lap for the Finesse Worm. A 140.96, not bad. We'll take it. We'll take it. We got room to improve, which you love to see. And here we are moving on to the 3rd track out of 4. We got one more track after this to show off. And this will be my fastest lap time on this snowy map. What was it called? Overlook? This part right here is super satisfying too. And that's a nice little mess up. You love to see it. And just barely missed the berm. Hugging the inside there, trying to stay as straight as possible. Get it up into 5th gear and let it fly. Nice little scrub. I mean, just absolutely flying right here. Keep it pinned in 4th over the giant whoop-de-doos. And nice little scrub to finish it off. Where'd we end up at? Give us 9th place with a 224.50. And let's move on to the old tabletop. The start of this lap is actually pretty rough, and it gets a lot better towards the end, I'm pretty sure. Make sure you keep it pinned in 4th up this hill right here. Don't get out of 4th and just keep it going. And I've been having some hitches right here with my PC, which has messed me up every single lap. So I know I got some more time to fix there. Nice little case. Hug the inside here. I mean, hug it like it's your life's dependent on it. The right side here, you see, it's got a little extra hump to it, which is what you need to hit. Mess up. Mess up. Actually, no, this lap was kind of just iffy all the way through, but it still set me the record. Ended up with like a 126 something. We'll see here. It was a 126.9. And it actually didn't even put me in the top 15, sadly. But there I am at 16th. You can barely see me at the bottom. I prefer to be in the top 15, to be honest. So we'll go back and work on that. But for now, that's my fastest laps. And I hope you guys enjoyed it for now. And I'll come back with some more gameplay soon.